Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube 3x3. So the first step is you need a cross, and all the edge pieces need to be matched up with the center pieces. Alright, so once you got the cross, you're going to try to get the edge pieces and the whole top layer. Does that match the... Nope, it doesn't match. It doesn't match the center. Try again. Oh, none of those had it. Alright. Oh, we adjusted that. Alright. Last one. Alright, see that matched. That matched. Because now this is matched up with the centerpiece. And this is matched up with the centerpiece. Alright, so we got the first one done. Alright, I guess that's not next. Alright. Nope. Alright. Will that match up? Yes, it will. Here we go, because then center. Alright. So now, the last two. Alright. And that matches up. And we just need to do this piece. There we go. We have the top layer solved. Alright, so what we're going to do next is solve the middle layer. So we're going to do, you have to remember this algorithm, okay? It's the righty algorithm. And then the lefty algorithm. Alright, now we got that solved. Right. Whoops. Okay, so that didn't work, so we're going to go to this one. Right, that didn't work either. So we're going to keep going until it works. Darn it. Oops. Wait. I did that wrong. Oh my gosh. Dang. So far we've only got this done. So I just got this one. Alright, now we're going to try to do this one. So we're going to try to find a green orange center. Alright, so we got it. Got it in the right place already. Okay. There, alright. Now we just need this one, and then that's it. So we need to find red green. Alright, so red green is in the perfect spot. But it was turned the wrong way. So if that happens, then keep doing it until it gets back up here, and then make it go into this one. again. Right. Alright, let's see, where is it? Is it up here? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay, so we're gonna move that twice. Alright, now we're gonna try this again. Alright, now we got to the first 2 layers solved. Now all we need is this layer. Alright, so we're gonna have to try to solve the white cross. So, yeah, the yellow cross, sorry. The following algorithm. F, R, just so you know, I already did it, but the rest is U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And you keep doing that, like F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Keep doing that until you get the whole cross. So yeah, I'll skip to when I'm done. After you did that a bunch of times, your cube should look like this. And I'll just put up a picture of how to solve it on the screen right now. And now you have solved your 3x3. So yeah, hope this was helpful, and let me know in the comments below if this helped you. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.